Hey, what's up, guys? This is another trip to the KDI fireworks store. We got a little over $200 to spend. So let's see what we can come away with. Thank you. Thank you. I just got through talking to Dave. There's one item that I get that he's not so sure on, but for the most part, everything on my fireworks list is at this store this year. So that's gonna help me out a hell of a lot, because that's gonna save me a trip to Muncie. Like this, I bought this up in Muncie last year, and he said he's had it for years, and I've been coming to this store for years, and I never knew he had it. So I'm definitely gonna pick one of those up. All that glitter, I looked that up. Oh, that one's pretty cool. Just so you guys know, I did get a ride from a friend of mine today, but that friend doesn't feel comfortable being on camera, so it's gonna be me filming. So I may not be able to show you much stuff that I buy until the end. Pack of Green Goblins. I need those. How much are those? Okay, so they went up $3. That ain't too bad. I think these are the ones I've been buying. The Saturn. Let's see. Those are still $9. Saturday Night Special looks pretty cool. Do need a pack of the Green Goblins. Let's see here. 20, 35, so we're still doing pretty good. I'll get one of the 200 shots too, just so I can do 2 at a time. And I'm thinking about buying a wild card to shoot off with my nieces if I got the money for it, which I doubt I will, because I'm already at 20, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I'm already at $44 on 3 items. Alrighty. I'm just about tempted to get that $50 one he was just telling me about. He said it was one of the best cakes he has in here, and he says it's well worth the money. Oh God, it's heavy. It's called Nowhere to Run. It looks like the cover to the Wolfenstein New Order video game. Perfect. Okay. I'll probably get that. I'll just have to check with the gunfighter, not the gunfighter, the Neon Parrot. Oh shit, I'm getting stuck. It's Not easy pushing a cart one-handed. Alrighty. I may consider, since I got a little bit extra money, I may consider getting some of these moonshines from my nieces too one day. And let's see. Let's grab a Fountain Dew. Let's grab a Fountain Dew. This. I already did the math on some of the stuff. I may go a little bit over budget, but my mom always told me I shouldn't worry about the little things. If it's something you enjoy, get it. Let's see how much these sports ones I get every year are. 45. So $22.50. So $22.50 after tax. I will grab a Grand Slam because he's about out of those. Voodoo Devils. I will check that out. Red Hot looks promising. I went ahead and got one of them because he only had a couple of them, and I didn't want to take a chance of missing out on getting the whole series. Yo. It's getting pretty. Let's grab a thing of C4s for my nieces. They'll probably want to see some, they'll probably want to see some pretty colors. How much are these? Yeah, okay. $9. $9. Now let's here. Double Dragon, those sound pretty cool. $35 for 6 of them. $35 for some death shells. That's $30 for the 6-pack. Oh, excuse me. That's $25 for a 6-pack. A 6-pack. Oh shit, the finales. I forgot about those. I don't see them. Fuck.
Let me grab it.
Are you gonna have any of the finales, like the 2-minute finale or all that? Oh, okay.
You got 3 out. I've got 3 minutes on now.
Okay, I see them. You have a 3-minute finale? Rush. Is it the rush hour? $229.
Oh,
Sorry. That'd be the same price as my, Sorry about that. Get my cart out of your way here. Ooh, about lost control. Alright. Now I got some decision making to make. Okay. We got all this. Alright. Let's go ahead and grab a Pokemon ball. I'm about tempted to check out those aliens. And we'll get a frog. What are these cool ass things? Assortment fountain.
oh yeah.
$14.50. That ain't a bad deal. You get 4 different kinds. I'll get one to do like a demo. Are these any good? Would you know?
I haven't seen them.
Okay. Maybe I could get one for a demo, and if I like them, I'll come back and get another one
Yeah.
for the main show. Oh, it's a good thing I got all this money stored up. Alrighty. So, 50. I'd say I'm probably about at my limit with what I got in the cart. There's everything so far. I'd say I'm right at about the maximum I can spend today. So if I get anything else, I will update. I will do a little update video on it and the final product. So I think now would be a perfect time to close it off. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.